A very good morning to all of you. I am your maths teacher Jyoti. Hope you have completed your work which I have given to you last week because it was holiday on Saturday and Sunday. So I hope you have completed your homework which I gave you. So for today our topic is extension of numbers chapter 2, the same chapter. Okay, but there was page number 11 and 12 which were remained incomplete, so we have to complete that. So let us start with the very first question, rapid recall. In this chapter we are going to revise that chapter again, so it will be good for you so that you can revise this chapter. You can recall all the previous work which you have done in your previous class and in the last lectures. Okay, so your first question is who is what. You have to write the smallest one digit number, the largest one digit number, and so on. So I am going to explain you what is the smallest digit and what is the largest digit number. Okay, so I have written down this question in my copy. See, the smallest one digit number is, we all know that it is 1, and largest one digit number is 9. Now if someone asks us what will be the smallest two digit number, so smallest is 1 and the two digit number will be, we will put a 0 here. Okay, this is our smallest two digit number. Now we know that our one digit number, largest one digit number is 9, but he is asking us for largest two digit number, so we will write 2 times 9. Okay, keep in mind that smallest two digit number is 10. Okay, and 99 is largest two digit number. 1 is the smallest number and 0 is smallest two digit number. In the same manner, if someone asks what will be the smallest three digit number, we will write 1, that is our smallest number, 0 and 0, 1 0 0, 3 digits, smallest 3 digits. In the same way, largest 3 digit number will be 3 times 9. Okay, in the same way, 4 digit number, smallest 4 digit number will be 1 0 0 0 1 2 3 4, and largest 4 digit number will be 1 2 3 4. So your first question is totally based on this concept. You have to do the remaining questions yourself. Now come to question number 2, write in words. I will write down this only and you have to do all yourself. Okay, so let's start. I have written down this number here. So for your easiness, I will write here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. This is based on, this page is based on Indian system. Okay, Indian system. So we have to do this question by Indian place value system. So let us start. Our 6 is on lakh position, so 6 lakh. In thousand position there is 76, then 76,000, 6 lakh, 76,000 and 112, 112. Okay, 6 lakh 76,112. Okay, you have already done this in your previous class, so this is just for recall and revision. So our next question is write in figures. How will you write in figures? Like 2,42,907. 2 lakh, see this book, we have to write it from here. 2 lakh 42,000, 42 on 1000 position, 907, 907, 2,42,907. This is how we will write this, 2,42,907. This is the way of writing it. Okay, now let's move to another question. Write in expanded notation. We have to expand this. So you have already done this question. I know you have knowledge of this question, how to write in expanded notation, but I am going to tell it again to you. Okay, so I have written down it here, write in expanded notation. Now how will I write this? See, I will write down the first digit from here, 6. How many places are remaining? 1 2 3 4. I will put 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4. Okay, plus here we will put plus sign because we have to expand another digit. Now it's turn of 5. So 5, how much digits left? 1 2 3. So I will put it down, write down 3 digits, 1 2 3, 3 zeros. Okay, now I have to expand this 9, so I will put 9 here. And how many digits are left? 1 2. So I will put 2 zeros. Now it's turn of 4, so I add and write here 4. How many digits is remaining here? Only 1. So I will write here only 1 0, and after 2 there is no digit remaining, so I will write 2 alone like this. Okay, so this is the way of expanding. Now I have to write down the short form. So how would I write the short form? See, I am given 70,000, 700, this and this. So I should know what is the position. Okay, so in previous classes I told you should know how much zeros at each place. So you know there is no zero, and no zero comes at which place? Ones place. 1 0 means tens place, 2 0 hundreds place, and look at here the number is missing. So let's move to another number, 0 0 0 0. How many zeros are there? 4 zeros, and 4 zeros are in 10,000 position. So means we have 1000 position vacant. So how do we write it? I will place a comma for ones, tens, hundred. At our ones place I will place 7. At tens place I will again write 7. We will take only the first digit. At 100 place we will take first digit only. So this. Now this is vacant. So for vacant I have written here 0. Now I have 10,000 position. I have 70,000 here. So I will write down the first digit of this number. So I will write here 7. So the short form of this expanded notation is this, 70,777. This is the short form of any expanded notation. Okay, you have to write like this. Now let's move to another page. See, I have this question now. Question number 6. Write the place value of each digit. We have to write the place value like this is given in your book on page number 16. This is the place value in Indian system. So till now we are doing the Indian system only. We will do international system later. So let's do this question, how to do this. Okay, so I have written down this first question 628914 and I am going to write the place value of this. So this is the method. I have to indicate each and every value like this. Okay, when we have to write the place value of all the given digits, of all the value of each digit, in that case what we have to do, we have to write like this, we have to make such lines. Okay, so, and if we have to particularly find out the value of the underlined digit, what we have to do, we have to just see how many digits are left and then we put zeros. Okay, so now let's start with 4. 4 is at ones place, so it will be multiplied to 1, it will become 4. Now 1 is at 10th place, so 1 multiply 10 is equals to 10. Now 9 is at 100th place, so we will multiply 9 by 100, it will become 900. Now we will come to 8 is at 1000th place, so 8 will be multiplied by 1000, it will become 8000. Okay, now we will move to 10,000 place. Our 2 is on 10,000th place, so we will multiply 2 by 10,000. Our answer will be 2 ones are 2, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now my last digit is on lakh position, so I told you that in lakh there are 5 zeros, so we are going to multiply our 6 with 1 and 5 times 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will put commas here. Don't forget commas. Okay, so my answer will be 6 lakh. These are the place values, that on 1st position it will be multiplied by 1, its value is 4. On 10th position it will become multiplied by 10, it will become 10. On 100th position we will multiply our digit by 100. On 1000 we will multiply our on 1000th position we multiplied by 1000, it will become 8000. On 10,000th position we will multiply our digit by 10,000, it will become this. And on the lakh position we have multiplied our number by 1 and 5 times zeros, it will become 6 lakh. This is the way of finding the place value of each digit. Okay, now let's move to this question. So this is very interesting question. We have to find the difference of place value of 3 in each number. See, here are 3's in every given numbers. 3 is there na, and 3 is 2 times in every number. Okay, in every given question 3 is 2 times, it is repeating. So this is common sense that the 3 on 10,000th position is greater than 3 on 100th position. This one is greater na, so we have to write down the value of the greater one and then we have to subtract the value of the smaller one. Okay, and how to do it? See, I have written down the same question. So what is the position of this 3? What is the place value of this? I have to find out the difference. So first of all I will write it like this, so it will be easy for you. So 3 multiply, 3 is on which position? This 3 is on 100th position. So I will multiply it by 100 and it will become 300. Got it? Now my another 3 is on 10,000th position, and on 10,000th position I know I have 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3 and 4. My answer will be 30, 1, 2, 3. 30,000. Okay. Now they are asking for the difference, so I will subtract my smaller digit from the larger one. So I will write down this value first and then subtract this one from that. So I will write here difference 30,000 minus 300. Okay, now we have to subtract it. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. This is 10, 10 minus 3, 7. So what does here remain? 9, and what here remain? 2. This will be my answer. we have to do all this question number 7 like this. We have to do all the questions like this. Okay,